Okay guys, I tried to go live and show the process, but it kept cutting me off. So I just do a quick little video. So I photographed this baby. I had a mentoring session and we did all of these great, amazing images. And I had this little gingerbread outfit made. And so he was 1 month old. So he was really moving around a lot, but I was like, I think we can do it. I think we can do this. So then what I did was in Midjourney is I went to source some different gingerbread images, okay? And it takes a while, and then of course it always gives you a baby. So then I went and came here and just needed to remove the baby, right? So if you go into history, super easy way is I'll use a lasso, get rid of them. Fill, then I'll use generative fill. It'll put weird things in. I replace it. Now I have a flattened image. And then I come over here and I move the baby in. Now, if you look at the original image, he had the hat like this. And so we made some changes. We made some changes to the bow tie, and then we brought it over and brought it in. And so then I wanted to sprinkle flour on him. So I Googled free flour brush, found a free flour brush and sprinkled flour on him. And yeah, of course it's AI, so you get funky little things like a gingerbread man with like 4 eyes, which is fine. We could always remove some of these eyes here, but the idea is to just have fun. It's like, you know, there's so much that you can do nowadays, and it's like, why not, when you're done setting something up, why not just do AI? So my mentor that was here, she said she loved it. She said she wanted to come back and do more of this. So in a lot of my teachings, we'll do all of the classic newborn baby posing, get your lighting, wrapping, all of that fun things. And then there we go, I got rid of the 4 eyes. And then we can go and have fun with the AI. So we did a 4-hour mini mentoring. We did all these great images. So you can see she wrapped him and we did wrapping, and then we did him in the outfit, did classic baby posing, head on, head off, feet. Then we did the whole gingerbread series, and then we came down here and he was a little bear. And after we did bear, we did swing. After we did swing, we did bucket. So not bad, not bad. We got a lot done. He was 1 month old, so he did pretty good. She left with great images. She'll be back. We'll do more. And then we can sprinkle a little bit of AI in there. So whenever you have an idea, just take it one step further. So we had these brown rompers and we had some left over. So then I had my seamstress add the different threading, and then we added the trim, then we added a bow tie, we added some buttons. If you want this outfit, we only have, I think, 14 available. I just put them in our shop Facebook group. You can come over here to our shop Facebook group. It's Facebook groups Shop Anna Brandt, and I just listed today. This is the outfit that I used. It's a twin set, and I think there's only 6 sets. It looks like one was just taken, so 5 sets. And then we posted this little girl outfit. We only have 7, so now we have 6 left. And then we just posted these gingerbread outfits and these rompers. So check out the Shop Facebook group, because sometimes things go really fast and sometimes they linger a little while longer. But check it out for some really fun things and really good deals. And you got to get into AI. If you're not doing it, oh my gosh, why not? AI Creative Collective, and I'll see you later.